Hey y'all, over at Kellam Mechanical, and this is Jason with Virginia Beach Web Designs. I spoke with Sarah earlier on the phone today, and she told me to go ahead and send this video on over to y'all. Thank you for clicking on it. What we're going to do today is briefly show you 3 ways to improve your website so you can start bringing in more customers. If you're wondering why I'm making this video for you, it's really simple. There's a lot of business owners out there who don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more customers. And what's holding most business owners back from hiring a marketing company is they don't know who's experts and who's not. So what I found in making these free attack plans is and sending them out is that folks can take it and they can use it if they want to all by themselves. And if they want some help, they can contact me and I can get some help. So I'd love to hear from you either way. But without further ado, I'm going to talk to you today about content, backlinks, and citations. So first off, I like your website. You got this scrolling gallery up here. This is a nifty little logo. You got a lot of things going on here. This is a nice little article. Um, it's nice. You got videos. You got all of your badges here. These are all great things. But unfortunately, Google does not rate you or rank you based on how good your site looks. They rank it based on content. Okay, and though you look like you have a lot of stuff going on here, when we look at the content, you only have about 400 words of content. Okay, so to put that in perspective, the average front page on Google has 1,900 words of content. All right, so you're going to want to be somewhere between 1,500 and 2,000 words of content on just this front page alone. What that allows you to do, it allows Google to see you as an authority on your services. Okay, they want to put people in front of people who are going to be able to answer the questions that people have, and generally those are going to be the people with the most words. All right. Also, what that does is it allows you to incorporate more of the keywords that people are searching for, and keywords are huge. Okay, um, just to give you a comparison, here is All Day Plumbing, and though their website is not laid out well because you can't see half of it, um, they have 1,000 keywords. I'm sorry, 1,000 words of content. So guess what? They're rating above you in the organic search. Don't you can't even see what's going on their website, but they're chosen before you because people get to them before you because the amount of content that they have. All right, so we can easily blow them out of the water by adding some content, and people will actually be able to see what they're looking at when they get to your website because we're going to build it better than that. And just to give you a far distant thing to shoot for, here's Atomic Plumbing. Their website's awesome. They got videos, tons of content, 5,000 words of content on this front page. So they're really killing it. Okay, so we're not saying we're going to be able to beat Atomic out of the gate, but we can definitely step ahead of All Day Plumbing just by adding content. Okay, so the next thing after that is you want to make yourself trustworthy. Okay, and so Google judges you based off how many other websites are linking to you, and so you're going to want to get relevant websites linking to you. For example, other plumbing companies saying, hey, yeah, these guys are verified, they do good plumbing. Okay, and it doesn't necessarily have to be anybody your competition, but it could be anywhere around the world. Other plumbing sites, home repair sites, mechanical sites linking to you. It's so much more powerful than, say, a Pizza Hut linking to you. Okay, so how we look at backlinks, I go into Ahrefs over here. It's a nice little nifty tool. I can look at the backside of websites here, and we can grab your URL here and we can throw it in. Uh, what is going on here? We can throw it in here, okay? Wow, and you guys are doing pretty decent. There's nothing to scoff at. 125 referring domains, that's a good number to have. 368 keywords, 81 organic traffic, $634 worth of value. So These numbers look great. I'm thinking you're probably going to want this value to be more. Okay, so let's look at others who are doing well. So again, here's Atomic. All right, and we can go back and look at what they got going on. So they have just a few more referring domains, but look at that traffic and look at the value. Okay, so what we can do is we can grab the referring domains that are working well for someone like Atomic Plumbing, and we can get you referred from those same domains. Okay, and so that will help drive you up in the organic ranking as well. All right. Another one to look at, again, All Day Plumbing. They're not doing too bad either. They're getting a lot more value out of theirs than you are. So just grabbing what these guys are doing and reproducing it, we call it copycatting, can get you guys up in the rankings. Okay. So the last thing we want to talk about is when someone searches Virginia Beach plumber. Okay, they are ready to buy. They're calling the first plumber they come across that looks trustworthy. All right, so a lot of money is spent up here in these ads, and that's hit or miss, man. Because some people will not click on ads. I know I won't click on ads. Some people have ad blockers, so they don't even see them. All right, so the real honey spot is here. It's called Google My Business or Map Pack. And if you can be in these top three right here, then you are money. People will click here because they can click on your site, they can click on your phone number, they can get directions to you. Um, it's super accessible, and you look like your money. Plus, here's your reviews, here's your stars right here, so you can show how good you are compared to everybody else. So how you get here is through citations. All right, citations are your name, address, and phone number on directories throughout the web. And directories are like Facebook, LinkedIn, um, Twitter, Instagram, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, Home Advisor, all the ones you know, and you're probably doing business with right now. So what you can do is you can go in and look to see what A1 Sewer, what Mr. Rooter, what Tony and Son are doing as far as citations, and then get yourself cited on those same very same sites. And what that'll do is help drive you up the chain to get here on the landing page, the map pack. And so I think that'll show value for you as well. So that's all I got for you. But hope it was informative. As a quick recap, we're going to get your website up to about 1,500 to 2,000 words. You're going to have at least, if not more, more quality backlinks for you. And then we're also going to want to get your name, address, and phone number on as many directories as possible, at least more than your competitors. Okay. If you want to do this all yourself, please do. This is free education. I'm trying to help as many business owners as I can. Just ask that you send back some feedback, maybe 1 or 2 lines, to let me know if I created value for you here. And then if you want to give us a call, here's my phone number right here, 757-354-2802, or you can drop me a line via email, and I'd love to hear from you. That's all. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.